Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple habits that can improve your health in powerful ways. Today's topic is small in size, but strong in effect. Ginger shot. Just a small amount. A quick drink. Yet it creates a strong reaction. Many people feel heat. Some feel intensity in the throat. So what is happening inside your body? Let's begin with ginger itself. Ginger contains active compounds. These compounds support your body in several ways. One of the most important effects is related to inflammation. Ginger may help reduce internal irritation. This supports overall balance. Then comes immunity. Ginger supports your body's defense system. It helps your body respond to stress. This is why many people use it during cold seasons. Another important effect is digestion. Ginger may stimulate digestive activity. It helps your stomach process food more efficiently. Some people feel relief after meals. Then comes circulation. Ginger creates a warming sensation. This is linked to increased blood flow. Your body feels more active. But now, we must be honest. Ginger shot is strong. Too strong for some people. Drinking too much may irritate your stomach. It may cause discomfort, especially on an empty stomach. Another point is sensitivity. Not every body reacts the same way. Some people tolerate it well. Others feel burning. So what is the right way? Use small amounts. Do not exaggerate. Start slowly. Observe your body. You may mix ginger with water. You may add a small amount of lemon. This makes it easier. Best time is morning or before meals, but not in excess. Because ginger shot is not a magic cure. It is a powerful tool, a natural one. When used correctly, it supports your body. When overused, it creates problems. Balance always matters. Listen to your body. Respect its signals. Because health is not about extreme habits. It is about smart choices. Repeated every day. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support helps us continue sharing useful content. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay strong, take care,